Hello, today we will show you two pole starters. This is an aluminum pole starter. The hole pitch is 80 and 120 millimeters. The start gear is 67 millimeters. It is made of high-quality aluminum and plastic material, sturdy and durable, corrosion-resistant and rust-proof. Easy installation. Now we show you how to unscrew 3 screws to separate the pole starter into 2 parts. We also have another one. The appearance is the same as the previous one, but the starter gear in the middle is different. The diameter is 35 millimeters. It is smaller than the previous one. The pole string is easy to pull and retract, and the material is also very tough. They fit for 2-stroke 47cc 49cc engine, replacement for pit bike, ATV, quad, mopeds, scooters. Each product will be given a nice keychain. Please scan the QR code, follow our GOOFIT on Facebook. Please click the links below for more product information. Thanks for watching.